Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a quick day trip from Maryland to the beautiful Tanger Beach in Sussex County, Delaware. Whether you're looking for a relaxing day by the ocean, some fun beach activities, or a bit of shopping therapy, Tanger Beach has got you covered. So buckle up and let's hit the road. Tanger Beach is about a 2-hour drive from the Maryland suburbs, making it an ideal destination for a day trip. We left early in the morning to beat the traffic and to have a full day of fun in the sun. The drive is smooth and you'll pass by some charming small towns on the way. We've also planned a little shopping stop at the outlets on our way back, so stay tuned for that. Welcome to Tanger Beach. One of the first things you'll notice is how spacious and well-maintained the parking area is. There's a $10 fee for the day, which is a great deal considering the pristine condition of the beach and the amenities available. If you arrive early, you'll have no trouble finding a good parking spot close to the entrance. Tanger Beach is a hidden gem along the Delaware coast. Less crowded than some of the more popular beaches like Rehoboth or Bethany. You'll find clean, soft sand, clear blue water, and plenty of space to spread out. There are also public restrooms and outdoor showers, making it easy to rinse off before heading home. There's no shortage of things to do at Tanger Beach. If you're into swimming, the waves here are usually calm, perfect for a relaxing dip or for kids to play safely. If you prefer to stay dry, bring a beach chair or a blanket and just soak up the sun while reading a good book. For those who love nature walk, a walk along the shoreline is a must. The beach is part of the Delaware Seashore State Park, and if you're lucky, you might spot some interesting wildlife like dolphins or seabirds. There are also some iconic World War II observation towers nearby, which add a bit of history to your visit. And you can also easily climb up the top of the towers and get a great view of the beach and surrounding area. To make your day at Tanger Beach as enjoyable as possible, here are a few tips. Pack smart. Bring plenty of sunscreen, water, and snacks. There aren't any food vendors on the beach, so it's best to come prepared. A cooler with sandwiches and cold drinks will keep everyone happy and hydrated throughout the day. Get there early. The beach tends to get busier in the afternoon, especially on weekends. Arriving early not only helps you snag a prime spot for parking, but also gives you a few hours of peaceful beach time. Respect the environment. Tanger Beach is clean and well preserved. Let's keep it that way. Remember to take all your trash with you and consider using reusable containers instead of single-use plastics. Beach gear. An umbrella or a beach tent is essential for some shade, especially if you're planning to stay all day. Don't forget your beach chairs, towels, and perhaps a good book or some music. After a fun day at the beach, we decided to stop by the Tanger Outlets in Rehoboth Beach, just a short drive away from the Tanger Beach. Did you know there are 3 Tanger Outlets in Rehoboth? While they're all great, we personally recommend this Surfside location. It's our favorite because it has fantastic selection of stores and is the most convenient for our shopping needs. We spent a couple of hours here picking up a few bargains and enjoying the tax-free shopping Delaware is known for. It's a great way to wind down after a day in the sun and maybe grab some gifts or souvenirs before heading home. After our shopping spree, we packed up and started our journey back to Maryland. But before you go, I highly recommend taking a few moments to watch the sunset. It's the perfect way to end a relaxing day at Towers Beach. Thanks for coming along on our day trip to Towers Beach. Between the sun, sand, and a little shopping therapy, it's the perfect escape from the hustle and bustle. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and boldly discovering new places. Check out our other videos for more day trip ideas and travel tips. See you in the next one.